Last week was my 35th birthday, so I've been getting very serious about my skincare. Hey everybody. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, my birthday was just on September 25th, and I cannot believe that I am the same age as the Back to the Future movies. I feel so old. But with that being said, there are a lot of changes that I need to make, and people generally in their mid-30s need to make when they're doing their skincare routine. So a lot of the concerns that I had in my early 30s and even in my 20s are a little bit different than I have now. Some are the same, like I still have lots of acne that I have to battle. I've been battling that since I was a teenager, and now I have to deal with the anti-aging aspects and firming of my skin. I don't have to, but I really, now when I say have to, I don't mean have to, but if you want to have the best looking skin and the most youthful looking skin, unfortunately that takes maintenance once you reach those mid 30 years. So I actually just received from Drunk Elephant their Firmy kit, and this is the day kit that features all the products you would need to protect your skin and just make your skin look youthful and radiant. Some of the products that it contains are my favorite C-firma day serum, which really adds firmness and hydration to the skin. It has the d-bronzi, which is the anti-pollution, and it gives you like a radiant bronzy look. It also has a peptide cream and umber tint, which gives you that protection against the sun. This is a great mini kit for all the skincare needs you would have in order to have youthful, anti-aging, hydrated, radiant looking skin while protecting it, hydrating it, moisturizing it, etc. So I'm really excited about this day kit. It's something that you can use every morning, and if you're not used to doing a whole skincare routine and you're lost when you go into Sephora, maybe you never had a skincare routine, you hit your 30s and you're like, shoot, I hit a wall and I need to try some new skincare. This is a great little kit that gives you all the products you need, and it gives you an explanation of everything, and I feel like it's a really great option for anybody that either wants to change a routine, up their routine, or discover a new routine, because you get everything in the one box. And the c-firma is actually a full-size product, whereas the rest are sample size, but trust me, they're perfectly sized. You will definitely get a lot of use. And this retails for $88, but it's worth $127. So you save quite a bit, especially if you've never tried Drunk Elephant. Great way to get into the product without paying, great way to get into the brand without paying a full price tag. So I'm gonna start the routine with you guys now.
Whether you're starting this off day or night, you want to start with clean skin. I'm wearing makeup because I just finished filming a tutorial, and I'm using Bioderma on a smooth cotton round to remove my makeup. This micellar water is gentle on skin, and it really helps to just get rid of all of your makeup, any pollution, any debris. It's one of those all-in-one, easy to cleanse your face with products, and it gets rid of even waterproof makeup. So I'm starting off my routine getting rid of all that makeup from one of my tutorials, which you can find if you would like to watch a tutorial on that makeup look. I have a link in the info section below. The Firmy Day Kit from Drunk Elephant has a value of $127, but it's available for $88. Firma Day Serum is applied in the morning evenly to clean, dry face, neck, chest, and even the back of the hands. I like to apply mine with a rose quartz roller from Grace and Stella. This serum is absorbed quickly into the skin. It applies very softly, it does not feel heavy, sticky, or tacky, and I see instant results when I use this product. My skin instantly looks more youthful and glowing. This is also a product that I really like to use as part of a makeup routine, so I don't limit myself to just skincare routines when using this. The Proteini Polypeptide Cream is applied in the morning as well, and you can also apply it at night if you'd like to clean dry skin for a vital dose of proteins and replenishing moisture that the skin needs to retain a youthful appearance. So if you've been needing just a little bit extra hydration to your skin, or to reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles, this is going to be the product you want to reach for. It's really going to allow your skin to look healthier and more youthful. It instantly makes my skin glow. Next, I'm applying the Umber Tint. This is the Physical Daily Defense SPF 30. Every morning you can apply evenly to the face, neck, chest. You can apply it 15 minutes before going into sun or going into sun exposure, and you want to apply this at least every 2 hours. You can also use a water-resistant sunscreen with it if you're swimming or sweating a lot. One of my favorite products that I like to use in the summer and to keep the summer tan going all year long is the d-bronzi. This is the anti-pollution sunshine drops. You add a drop of d-bronzi to any Drunk Elephant serum, oil, or moisturizer for a gorgeous glow, and a potent dose of protective antioxidants and omega fatty acids. I like to apply this using a skincare brush. This brush is from Real Techniques by Sam and Nick, and I'm applying it while my face still has a little bit of the umber tint. You can also apply this to the back of the hand and mix with c-firma. That's something that I usually do as well, especially before a makeup routine if I want just a little bit bronzer of a look.
So as you can see, I feel like from the start of the routine to now, like my skin is just looking so hydrated, so plump. Like I feel like it tackled my under eye area very quickly. So in the time frame that I applied it till now, it's been like 20 minutes. So you see results really quickly, and that's just from one use. So if you're starting a new skincare routine, is to stay consistent with it. Just like with any other routine, like exercising and eating healthy, it takes a little bit of time to develop a consistent habit. So be mindful with that and remind yourself every morning, just when you start your day, it's time to do our skincare, and also you should be reminding yourself at night. But that's for another video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you aren't already, please be sure to subscribe. If you enjoyed it, like it. And if you have any feedback, leave me a comment. If you're on Instagram, head over to @RecycledStardust for beauty and lifestyle content. And also head over to Fabulously Stardust for some plus size fashion and fashion in general content. Also check out my blog, www.thecosmoholic.com/blog. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching.